All right, so a really important formula in Algebra 2 is the quadratic formula. That's this bad Larry right here. So what we're going to do is identify in standard form the coefficients a, b, and c, which are 1, -10, and -11. I'm going to just substitute those into this quadratic formula, which we proved the other day. So substituting those in, I put parentheses around any value I'm substituting in, especially the negative ones. All right. Now, when I plug this in, every time I plug it in, I thought I said something about that. Nope. So every time I plug it in, this number is going to end up being positive in the front here. It's always something squared. So -10 squared or 10 squared would give me 100. So we're always going to get a positive number right here. Now next, I got to be really careful about looking at the signs of those following numbers. So I'm saying a -4 times 1 times a -11. So a negative times a positive times a negative is going to result in a positive. So that's why I have a positive here. You got to make sure that you keep track of that sign so you have the right value for the discriminant. All right, so that ends up with a 44. It's 100 plus 44, which gives me 144, which simplifies to 12. Square root of 144 is 12. And now, when I look at this fraction, before I even add or subtract the 10 and 12, I'm going to see that it's all three terms are reducible by 2. So I'm going to divide each term by 2, leaving me with a 5 plus or minus 6 over 1, which is like 5 plus or minus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 minus 6 is -1.